Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 6.
We would like to do a presentation about our discussion. The title is Molecular Symmetry and Point Group. Before that, I'd like to introduce myself to you all. My name is Maulana Wayutomo, with the last name is 014.
And I am Nashwa Azhar Azhara, with my last name is 0, 2, and 7.
I am Zahra Aini Arjana with last name 081.
Come check it out, guys.
Now, we start with the definition of molecular symmetry. Molecular symmetry is the study of the balance and geometric harmony of the arrangement of atoms in a molecule, which is determined by symmetry operation, such as rotation, reflection, and inversion, and symmetry elements like lines, planes, or points that make the molecule appear unchanged after the operation is performed. Next, we have 5 molecular symmetry operations. 1 is identity, 2 is rotation, 3 reflection, 4 is inversion, and the last is unnatural rotation. First, we have identity. Identity is the most basic operation, which is to do nothing. The molecule remains completely unchanged, and every molecule has this identity operation.
Rotation of the molecule around an axis line of symmetry by a cardinal. It indicates how many times the molecule will return to its original form in one full 380 degrees rotation. C2 180 degree rotation. C3 120 degree rotation. Reflection. This operation involves a plane of symmetry mirror plane within the molecule. The molecule is reflected through this plane, producing an image that is equivalent to its original form. Types: horizontal symmetry plane perpendicular to main rotation axis Cn, vertical symmetry plane parallel to main rotation axis Cn, diagonal symmetry plane parallel to main rotation axis Cn and bisecting edge of the C2 rotation axis.
Inversion, an operation performed by projecting each point on the molecule through the center of inversion or the center of symmetry to the opposite side of the same distance. The coordinate x, y, z become the minus x minus y minus z. The example for this is SFX molecule that has an inversion center at the sulfur atom. Unnatural rotation, a combined operation consisting of 2 operations in sequence. Rotation of the molecule by 360 through the symmetry axis Cn, followed by the reflection through a symmetry plane perpendicular to that rotation axis or sigma h.
Diboron has an identity element of the most basic symmetry operation in the T2H point group. The identity operation means that the molecule undergoes no change whatever, with all boron and hydrogen atoms remaining in their original position. The presence of this identity forms the basis for all other symmetry elements in diboron. Identity is always present in every point group, and in diboron this element confirms the consistency of the molecular structure before considering more complex symmetry operations. Diboron has a main axis of rotation C2, which is the axis that divides the molecule into two symmetrical parts through a line passing through both boron atoms. If the molecule is rotated 180 degrees relative to the C2, at least the position of all atoms will return exactly as before. In addition, the diboron also has two additional C2 axes that are perpendicular to main axis. Its passes through the center point of the PHP bridge and rotates the terminal hydrogen pairs interchangeably. Diboron has three reflection planes sigma that each divide the molecule into two individual parts. The horizontal plane is a flat plane that passes through both boron atoms and spreads the bridge hydrogen atoms above and below it, so that reflection on this plane produces the same atomic arrangement. The two vertical planes are planes that pass through the p axis and each intersects one terminal hydrogen pair. These two planes symmetrically swap the position of the terminal hydrogen atoms of the left and the right sides. Diboron has a center of inversion located exactly in the middle of the p bond. If each atom in this molecule is projected to this center point to the opposite position, all atoms will move to symmetrically identical location where the bridge hydrogen swap their upper and lower position, while the terminal hydrogen swap their left and right position. Because all atoms find their symmetric pairs through this center point, diboron satisfies the inversion operation.
Diboron does not have an abnormal SN rotation. The BHB bridge structure in diboron does not allow for combination of rotation and reflection that produce identical shapes as in abnormal SN rotation. Diboron belongs to the point group D2H because it has three mutual pendicular C2 rotation axes, one horizontal mirror plane separating the upper and lower bridge hydrogen, and two vertical mirror planes splitting the terminal hydrogen pairs. In addition, this molecule has a center of inversion located at the center of B and B bond, where each atom has its symmetrical pair. The combination of these symmetry elements makes diboron fulfill the complete characteristic of the D2H symmetry group. Methane has an identity element that is most basic symmetry operation in TD point group. The identity operation means that the molecule is operated without any changes, so that all atoms remain in their original position. This identity element is the starting point in determining all the symmetries of the methane and is always present in every point group. Methane has a tetrahedral shape, so its rotation is three-dimensional and highly symmetrical. This molecule has four C3 axes, each connecting the central carbon atom to the one of the hydrogen atom. A 120-degree rotation on this axis returns the molecule to its identical shapes. In addition, there are three C2 axes that pass through the midpoint of the two opposite sides of tetrahedron. A 180-degree rotation on this axis also produces the same configuration.
And methane has several reflection planes or mirror planes due to its highly symmetrical shape. In reflection, each mirror plane divides the molecule into two identical parts. In methane, these planes pass through the central carbon atom and intersect the hydrogen atom pairs.